Hey guys, and welcome to How to Guide. Do you want to create videos using Canva and don't know how to? Well, worry not, we're here to help you. Now, let's begin. Initially, let's go to Canva, and from here, on the top right, click on the Create a Design and select the presentation one. Once it has opened, now let's add elements to it. For instance, I want to add planets. Now go to graphics. Now select the best one you can find. Change its aspect ratio to your need. Now let's add another planet. Let's keep on adding elements. And now we try to add a video. Here next to photos, you will find something called as videos. Click on it and you will find lots of videos related to the title. Jesus typed and searched. Since the video is now at front, click on the position next to animate and send it to the back. Now you will find something like this. To make your editing much more easier, tap on the duration, which you can find on the bottom left. It is in between notes and timer. Simply click on it. And now let's try to play the video. It will look something like this. You can add more effects to the elements. Just click on the element and hit on animate. Scroll down till you find something you like. Well, I find this one much better, so let's click on it. I thought you can choose another one as well. Select on other elements and simply get the best results. Now you can also shorten the duration if you wish. Now that everything's ready, let's hit the play button and see what the video is like. Well guys, this is how you create a video using Canva. If you liked this video, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Thank you.